I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin now by claiming a small, consistent space and setting a 10-20 minute timer. This prevents planning distractions. Sit with a straight spine. This supports alert calm, and relax your shoulders so tension doesn't masquerade as focus. Once seated, take 3 full breaths to anchor attention. Notice how breathing links body and mind. Make sure to limit abrupt interruptions. Phone on Do Not Disturb, and commit to the first 5 minutes of observing breath before introducing techniques. Once you've anchored with breath, deepen by counting inhales and exhales up to 10, then restart. This creates a stable cognitive loop. Now add gentle labeling. When thoughts arise, mentally say thinking or feeling, which creates distance and reduces reactivity. Make sure to pair labeling with returning to the breath so awareness isn't abandoned. If your mind wanders, treat it like a friendly redirect. Pause, notice where attention went, and guide it back without scolding. This trains sustained concentration over repeated sessions. To finish, slow down, take 3 longer breaths and perform a quick head-to-toe scan to integrate calm into your posture and movement. Then open eyes slowly and write 1 to 3 lines about what you noticed. This reinforces learning and makes progress visible. If you experience persistent agitation or racing thoughts, shorten sessions to 5-7 minutes and rebuild length gradually. Frustration often comes from pushing too fast. Remember, consistency matters more than duration. Small, regular practice yields steady improvement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.